Hi, my name's Stacy Page, and I'm a Head Start teacher at Duff Allen Central Elementary. In today's activity, we're going to teach you how to have fun indoors when the weather isn't cooperating. Today, I have some tape, a marker, index cards, and some colored paper, or you can use plain paper, the paper of your choice. Also, I would use my child's favorite music. Is it nursery rhymes, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, maybe some favorite music from a kiddie show that they like to watch? And here's what you would do. You would start out by taping some numbers to the floor. Here I have the number word, and the number 1. Okay, I tape these in the floor of the pattern using the painter's tape, and I would give them a visual prompt. Once they're spread out, play the music. Once the music stops, you can hold up, for example, the number 3. Show me 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3, and then they would have to go find the number that is on the floor. So they would step on the number 3. You could also take away the visual prompt and hold up 3 fingers and have them stomp the number 3 times to quantify. 1, 2, 3. And I've made these from 1 to 10. And once they've gotten 1 to 10, you could go on up to 20. Okay. Also, you could take away the number cards and find me the word 1. So you could increase the activity as their skill progressed. Okay. Now I have some literacy. I have my ABC cards I made out of the index cards, and I have the alphabet, the same concept. I would play their music, and then once the music stopped, the letter that I wanted them to work on would show up. I'd show them the letter A. Make the A sound, ah, 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 and then they would stomp on the letter A. You could also increase this activity by having them tell you a word that began with A once they stepped on the letters. And that's another version of the game. Another game that you could do is you could mix up the letters in their name. Here I have my name, and I have it spelled out on all these papers. And I would place them all over the floor, and I would show them the name card and say, find me the S in your name, the uppercase. Then have them stomp on that S, then the T, then the A, then the C, then the Y. So that's the name game. Also, you could do colors and shapes. Once you use the letters, you could also do the colors. Like on the letter A, it was yellow. These are some shapes, the basic 4 shapes. I would have them show them the card and have them stomp on that shape. Find the triangle, stomp. How do you know it's a triangle? Then you can get into some good conversations on how they knew that this was a triangle. It has 3 sides. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and play the music again, stop the music, and show them the circle card. Okay, stomp on the circle. How do you know it's a circle? Because it's round with no sides. And then they also could probably find some shapes in the room too, like the clock is a circle, and you could talk about that. Start playing their favorite music again and move on to sight words. Can you find we? Once the music stops, I'd spread these all out on the floor, have my child stomp on them, and find the we. If Miss Stacy can find the we. This is one of my students' favorite sight words, because when they say we, they say it repeatedly, and I ask them, we, why are you crying? Just a little inside joke for Head Start. Okay. So that's a fun way that you could do this game. And literacy and math. You could also lay out some colored paper and make patterns. Put a green, blue, and have them stomp the pattern. You could also count the patterns, count the tiles. Just a fun way to do something indoors on a wet and rainy day. You have a blessed Saturday. Goodbye.